Over time, I think we've all seen the change, seen the divide, seen the debate, and I think we all know somebody on each side of it. But today, I hope to change your mind on this age-old question. Are pennies worth picking up? Are they stupid? Are they worth anything? Are they useful? Do you think pennies are useful? Or do you think we should get rid of them? I'm taking this question into my own hands. I've decided to make pennies better, to make pennies valuable again. In fact, I've gone as far as to make pennies treasured again. That's right, I'm making pirate coins. And you can get them by going to coinringmaker.com. For this week and this week alone, they're 50% off. All you gotta do is go to coinringmaker.com, tap the Etsy button, and order some pirate coins. It just makes sense.